the foot of the cow, the foot of the ox. Very good example and very clear one. So sorry about my explanation. That is the first time I record it, and I'm not mature, so please be patient. Thank you for your attention. Now I'm sharing this Dhamma talk to you all is about the Dhammavada Pali, Yamaka the pairs. The first one, Buddha talk. So the conclusion is with this Dhamma talk. Manopo Vingama Dhamma, Manot Siddha Manomaya, Manasa se Padotina, Pasativa Karotiva, Tato Nan Dokha Manuiti, Jakkanva Vahato Bade. So, all Dhamma lovers from all over the world, not only in our Myanmar but also all over the world, all Dhamma lovers, we should do and we should act or we should speak not only with not with their impure mind. We all should speak or ask or anything speaking, we should do with our pure mind, our pure consciousness. So not the bad things follows us, the good things will follow behind us. Such as like an example of the wheat that follows the foot of cow or the foot of ox. This is the Buddha's talk at the Tipitaka Dhammavada. I'm sharing to you all as a Dhamma donation. May you all be peaceful, safe, healthy, wealthy, and can get until the Nirvana. You all trying to be the best with the Vipassana and Satipatthana meditations. May you all be peaceful. See you in the next Dhamma videos. Sadhu, sadhu.